Welcome back, grade 4s, to another lesson of mathematics. This is the disclaimer just to state that the work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for Term 2 for mathematics in grade 4. The slideshow is proudly brought to you by Ms. Heidi Labiskachny. Today we will be looking at fractions. Okay, I'm just going to refresh your memory on the fraction wall. Welcome back, our new best friend. Okay, how to write fractions. First things first, the numerator. The numerator shows how many of those equal parts are being used. The denominator shows how many equal parts the whole has been divided into. With those two are then separated by a fraction line. Common fraction. If you share something equally, you divide it into fractions, as fractions is part of a whole or a group. Good. Let's practice. What fraction is shaded in this case? Okay, so the circle is divided into 3 equal parts, and 2 of the 3 parts is shaded. This is how we write it. First, you look at the number of parts the shape is divided into. In this case, it's 3. Then you look at the number of parts which is shaded. In this case, it is 2 parts which is shaded. On your own now, what fraction is shaded in each case? You can now pause the video, fill in A, B, and C, and fill in the correct number of shaded parts in each case. Remember to write your answers as a fraction. Good. Let's check your answers. What fraction is shaded in each case? Number A. First, go count how many parts it is divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many of the 6 parts is shaded? 4 out of the 6 parts is shaded. Good. Let's look at number B. How many equal parts is this one divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's divided into 4 parts. And how many of the 4 parts is shaded? 3 out of the 4 parts is shaded. And lastly, number C. Into how many parts is this one divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's divided into 12 equal parts. How many of those parts then shaded? 3 out of the 12 parts is shaded. Okay, the next activity will include naming fractions. Let's look at the names of fractions. If it's not divided into any parts, it's called a whole. If we divide it into 2, it's called halves. 3 parts, it's called thirds. Divided into 4, it's called fourths. Divided into 5, fifths. Divided into 6, sixths. Divided into 7, sevenths. Divided into 8, eighths. Good. Let's carry on with the activity. Name fractions. Use the names from the previous slide and name these 4 fractions accordingly. You've got A, B, C, and D. Please pause your video again. Now write the names. Let's check answers. Number A, it's thirds. B, seventh. C, sixths. And D, it's fifths. Well done, guys. Remember, join us and check us on YouTube and Facebook. Just follow the link.